we are coming to Marwadi Institute to strengthen our collaboration between our universities. My university is Technology University, is 80 years old, and we already found many fields for future collaboration between our universities. I really appreciate for your time for being there, and I see that a very, very good possibility to the future collaboration in many fields, not only science but also education. Thank you.
Today we had a great opportunity to participate in a Marwadi University sport event, and it was very nice, very pleasure ceremony. There was a lot of talented students who achieved their prizes for the winning in the games. We are not very much sportsmen, but we appreciate that young students are still taking care for their physical health. Thank you for inviting us and for opportunity in participation in this event.
First of all, I would like to say congratulations to Marwadi University. It is only because they are inviting me, and I see here it is a very short period of time they are achieving this much a height and feat of excellence. Within 8 or 9 years, students of 52 countries are studying here, and 22 states students are accompany international students. આ ખરેખર ખૂબ મોટી સિદ્ધિ છે. આટલી મોટી સિદ્ધિ ગુજરાતની જે જૂની એસ્ટાબ્લિશ 70 વર્ષથી જે યુનિવર્સિટીઝ ચાલી રહી છે એને પણ આ પ્રાપ્ત નથી. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I congratulate Marwadi University for their endeavors and nearer future. મને એવો વિશ્વાસ છે કે ગુજરાતને રાષ્ટ્રીય કક્ષા સુધીના મેડલ મારવાડી યુનિવર્સિટીના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ આપશે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.